So hey guys, this year OnePlus has introduced a few Snapdragon 8 series flagship. The brand announced the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 powered OnePlus 10 Pro 5G in China in January 2021. Just 1 month ago, the OnePlus 10T came out. It features a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU and lightning fast charging. But you know what else flashes just as fast as lightning? The cycle for the company's smartphone releases. Yes, there is now a chance that OnePlus might want to start the 11 series even earlier, and a new rumor suggests it may be planning to release a phone running some next generation silicon before the year is out. Yup, according to a new leak by trustworthy tipster digital chat station via TechGoing, OnePlus' next flagship phone featuring the SM8 chip will make its debut by the end of the 2022. At Qualcomm's next Snapdragon event in November, the SM8 SoC, which is anticipated to be the company's future Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, will be unveiled. According to source, the company will place a great emphasis on things like performance and design. Since the OnePlus 10 Pro 5G was released in China at the beginning of this year, it is likely that OnePlus 11 Pro 5G will be the next flagship to use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU. It could have superior cameras with hazel blade improvements and an alert slider because it might be a Pro model.
Thank you!
According to estimate, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will include 1 Cortex-X3 core, 2 Cortex-A270 cores, 2 Cortex-A710 cores, and 3 Cortex-A510 cores. The Adreno 740 graphic chip and the Snapdragon X70 5G modem are also said to be part of the SoC. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will provide a 10% total performance gain over the previous generation according to recent leak. Notably, the tipster also says that it is anticipated before the end of the year, indicating that it may be unveiled just a month after Qualcomm makes its chip announcement official. Perhaps we are looking at an announcement that would significantly precede retail availability. I haven't really heard much else about this possible phone up to this point, so perhaps more information will come out in coming months through leaks and rumors. The speculated OnePlus 11 Pro 5G won't be the market's first 8 Gen 2 device. There are several rumors indicating that Xiaomi may introduce the Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in November. So what are your thoughts on the OnePlus 11 Pro's early release? Let me know in the comment section below.